So this is going to show you how to access your Parents' Evening appointment through the Google Classroom app. Now, as you can see, I've already got the app open. I'm using this on an iPad, but it does look very similar on mobile phones and on other tablets as well. I've got the child's account logged in. In the top right hand corner, you can see an A in the purple circle. If I tap on that, I can jump between accounts. So if you've got more than one child in school and they're logged into your device, you can move between them. And if they're not already logged or set up, you can just click on add another account and add them that way. There is a video about that on the school YouTube channel. So for this now, to access the account, I'm going to click on the class. Now your child's class will be up there as class 1, class 2, so on and so forth. But for the purposes today, we've got test class. So I click on there. And on the bottom, you can see we've got stream, classwork and people. Now what I'm going to do at this point is tap on classwork. I'm then going to go to, on mine, the top left hand corner where we've got the 3-line menu. Now if I press on there, and on there is the option to go to calendar. If you tap on that, and then find yourself the 13th or the 14th, or have it on a week view, you can change the view. And for instance, if I'm Fred's parent, you can see I've got Fred and Doreen's appointments there. If I'm Fred's parent and I want to go into the meeting, I tap on where it says Fred. So you look for your child's name and tap on there. And then where it says join with Google Meet, you tap there. Now again, if you haven't yet got Google Meet on the device you're using, if it's a phone or tablet, I recommend you download it beforehand. It doesn't matter if it's not on at that point, because it will ask you to download it if you haven't already. But to make life easier for yourself, it's probably easier if you put it on there first. Now if I click on join with Google Meet, you'll see what it looks like. Now I can't go to join at this point, because if I do, it'll cut the recording. But at this point, if you go to join and press that, you'll go into the meeting. Now you can hide your camera if you don't want people to see you by clicking on there, and you can mute your microphone by clicking on the microphone icon as well. So that then, when your class teacher is there and you press join, you'll both be able to have the conversation around Parents' Evening. So if there is anything else that you're not sure about, please feel free to speak to somebody. Come and find us on the gate in the mornings, or see if you can contact your child's class teacher via Class Dojo, and hopefully we'll be able to help you. Thanks for watching this, and again, if you need any help, feel free to give us a shout.